Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with some MCQs on evaluation and assessment paper for CTET. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. Which of the following is a feature of formative assessment? A. It is conducted at the end of the term. B. It focuses on ranking students. C. It provides feedback to improve learning. D. It is based only on written answers. Answer is C. It provides feedback to improve learning. Formative assessment is ongoing and diagnostic, aimed at monitoring student progress during learning process and providing constructive feedback to enhance teaching and learning. Unlike summative assessment, it is not for final grading or ranking. It is continuous and done through Monday test, unit test, oral test, etc. Question number 2. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation CCE emphasizes A. Only scholastic achievements, B. Both scholastic and co-scholastic aspects, C. Only summative tests, D. Annual exams. Answer is B. Both scholastic and co-scholastic aspects. CCE as per NCF 2005 and RTE Act assesses holistic development, including academic performance, that is scholastic, as well as life skills, attitudes, co-curricular activities, which are co-scholastic, to reduce exam stress and promote all-round growth. Question number 3. Summative assessment is primarily used to A. Provide ongoing feedback, B. Diagnose learning gaps during instruction, C. Certify and grade achievements at the end of unit or term, D. Encourage peer learning. Answer is C. Certify and grade achievements at the end of a unit term. It is terminal in nature. Summative assessment evaluates overall learning outcomes at the conclusion of instructional period, that is the end of the term exams. Exams focusing on certification and grading, whereas formative is for improvement during the process. So it is sometimes negative also. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an appropriate tool for formative assessment? A. Projects and assignments. B. Oral questions and observations. C. Yearly board examinations. D. Quizzes and group discussion. Answer is C. Yearly board examinations. Formative tools are flexible and ongoing. For example, quizzes, projects, unit tests to support learning. Yearly board exams are summative, focusing on final evaluation rather than